Monmouth, and we're outside the Wackerle where students are lined up waiting to get in. And if you're like me, you're probably wondering what all the hype is about, so let's go and ask them. We're here with
Zoe.
And why are you here, Zoe?
I heard that the Wackerle could help me get MCAT test resources and help me sign up for the test.
And now we're with
Luis.
And what's your major, Luis?
Neuroscience today, chemistry tomorrow, maybe political science yesterday.
Is that why you're here at the Wackerle or something else?
It's a little bit of everything. I want to figure out where I want to go, but also what opportunities, especially with internships over the summer. I'm kind of looking in that area.
Now we have
Grace.
What's your major, Grace?
Art.
Is that why you're dressed like this?
Absolutely.
So why are you here at the Wackerle, Grace?
Well, I'm curious about traveling, and so I want to know more about the study abroad programs that they have here at Monmouth.
And what's your name, sir?
My name's Sincere.
Why are you dressed like this, Sincere?
I'm a senior football student here today.
And why are you here today?
I'm here to connect with alumni, kind of be like my big bro, Alex Tanney.
And who is Alex Tanney?
He's an NFL coach right now with the Indianapolis Colts.
So you're trying to get connected with our alumni.
Oh, definitely, man. Our alumni definitely help out around here on campus. They help us get internships, jobs, and also help us get connected with bigger companies as well.
Nice. And finally, we have Eli. And why are you here today, Eli?
I'm here for help with my resume. I'm applying to graduate programs for art right now, so I don't know how to write one, so I'm trying to figure out how.
Nice. I heard they're really good about that.
Yeah, me too.
Now we're going to go see the woman behind the Wackerle, Marnie Steech, who's the director of the Wackerle Center here at Monmouth.
Hi, Marnie. Tori, welcome to Wackerle.
I'm good today. How are you?
Good.
We wanted to hear a little bit about the work you do here at the Wackerle with all the students.
Well, thank you. Yeah, so here at the Wackerle, we do a little bit of everything that involves helping students prepare for their post-Monmouth life. So that might be from connecting students to opportunities or internships or alumni or resources, helping students think about experiences such as study abroad and how they navigate that and what that means for their how they articulate what that experience means. We help students with their graduate school preparation and planning, helping them prepare for graduate entrance exams, helping them with their application materials and the interview process, helping students with general job search and preparing their materials. So again, all things preparing students for their post-Monmouth life. So come see us in the Wackerle.